and it begins for the glory. Where are we going?
It is currently 4:20. There's a car meet at 8 p.m.
Somewhere.
And Shakaka has a race at 11 p.m.
Somewhere else.
Beamer blew the fuck up.
Yeah,
so
Beamer's not happy today.
screaming for help.
Put some new stock turbos on it.
3 hours later.
Me and Ed just saw something that looked a little weird. We gotta go.
I'm like, you hit the pole. You're like, there's no way.
Look at this shit. What the fuck is going on, dog?
He drove right into the pole. He's trying to back up. Look at this.
Oh,
Come on, buddy. I'm coming.
Man is not coming.
It's cold.
This is the face of a man that's not coming.
Really cold.
We're gonna take a gander. Alright, so we got the M4.
His is bad,
Another
right?
M4. What is that? M3?
I like the front bumper on that.
Oh, yeah.
Been done up a little.
Yeah, I fuck
Why
with
does it
it.
come like that? I like that. That's clean.
All the Hellcats pulled up finally. Park and chill was chill. We're gonna pre-race breakdown.
Without seeing any cars or the drivers, because the last time we were out here, you cut me off. What do we got? Mustang? What do we got? Mustang
Some
versus
kind of Honda, front-wheel drive Honda.
Civic?
All motor, so you know that means it has nitrous.
No matter how the race starts, pretty sure the Mustang will be out on him by at least a car or two. If he's more than a car or two out, he's got a shot. You can't be within a Honda spray, and you can't be within two, three cars. If he's getting him on a track where it's less than a quarter of a mile and it's not a full quarter of a mile, the Mustang's got a good shot of winning.
No one Max is
Max ain't gonna take this race without a prep, and I'm sure the Honda's prepping too. It's hard to bet against a Honda that knows how to drive.
Shit probably weighs fucking 3 pounds. Got a school desk welded in there as his fucking chair.
I can tell you, the only thing I can tell you for sure is the Mustang is definitely going to get the jump on him. Keeping the jump is tough against a Honda, especially a well-built Honda, even if it's all motor.
As much as I would like to bet, I didn't bring money tonight.
Yeah, we're broke fucks tonight. Just right next to me. Sandwiched.
Nice gentleman parked in the middle of the intersection.
Of course, I gotta make a U-turn. Legal. It's a legal U-turn at the White Castle. Why did we go to White Castle?
Holy fuck.
I told you, sandwiched.
Yeah, he had a bad day.
Bad day. Outside tonight.
This is the face of a man that's finding a race for this Honda tonight.
Nah.
If these are on, they mean business.
Tell you.
Ant is a horny man. That's all I'm gonna say. Ant is very horny.
Don't defame me.
You are being hugely defamed.
Bro, I can't believe he brought her here.
For all the people at home watching, everyone keeps bringing my fucking ex.
God damn, next level. Awkward. It's cold. Why is it cold?
Chilly man.
It's nice.
Took the glass out, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I got the Honda.
I don't know.
I mean, we said the same shit last time, but
I mean, we said the same shit last time. They look like they know what they got their shit together. That thing don't weigh 1,000 pounds soaking away over there.
Double check that. Good. It is cold. It's cold.
Did put money in the pot?
Not yet. He just got here.
I had to see it 3 fucking times.
Nigga, you just seen his car, bro.
I was asking, maybe his boys had money for it. I don't fuck.
Throw a McChicken in there, bro.
What's his name here? The horny video guy.
You want to throw in?
I got no bread this time, bro.
Yo, you.
I pulled up with no cash, bro.
Unless something breaks on somebody's car, it's gonna be close.
What do you got?
Not a race.
Yep.
Break before the lights go on.
Nah, let's just. I mean, because we drove out here, if you break before the light, just pay half after the light.
Go home.
We came out here over an hour.
We did that? We're from out east.
Yeah, so if I break in the burnout, you get paid half. You break.
If we break, we have time to fix it. That's how that works. That's how that rule works. You make a time limit though.
You can't be sitting around waiting for that. That's just like too much.
I already have to sit around and wait for you to prep, no? You can't do pour and go, right?
I mean, GSF bro, they take a minute. Like,
I don't care. I'm giving you something, right? And I definitely said pour and go.
I mean, I could have asked for space, but I just took this race without seeing this car.
You have a fucking rear-wheel drive V8, right? And you're gonna ask for a front-wheel drive B series for space?
You're gonna see when you look at the car.
Fucking crazy. You know this is a B series, right? Not a K. If it was a K, I'd spot you whatever you want. B series do not make power.
I like this guy.
You can't do a half an hour. By the time we get back here, it's a half hour.
Yeah. When we get here to start on the car,
He had the accident, he would need a.
If you want to do that, then pay us. Not go home. I'm not trying to take no money for free.
works both ways. Look, if it breaks, he's gonna fix it, and you're still gonna have a race.
I'm gonna give you an hour. I'm gonna give you an hour. And then if it goes over an hour, you pay.
If the car breaks.
Go over an hour, you pay.
If the car breaks, we have an hour to pay.
And if it go over an hour, you pay that. All right? Sound good?
I'm gonna do my burnout just right when you do your testing.
As long as it's together.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna do a burnout and make him wait.
Nah, mine's real quick. I'm not rolling out to the 8th or nothing like that. Yeah, like if you're 3 cars ahead of me, then you can milli rock back and forth. You want to start by just looking at the cars just to get that out the way. Alright, if you want to get that fuel thing out. Yeah.
He's got the 3-piece fucking Honda manifold with the nitrous right through the middle of it. There is a 100% chance he's spraying. 100%. Max, all he's got to do now is find the bottle and fucking unplug it.
I don't know your Instagram, dog. You follow me, but you're a slippery little fuck, bro. Launch the other day was crazy. Oh, dude, pulled it with the C8. Hold on. This shit is hard. And the Supra? What the fuck is going on?
245 horsepower strong. Number one at the track. With Lucas non-driving on.
Thinking about it now, every time I see a red Honda race and the red Honda don't win,
Yeah, it's usually a bad day. We're gonna stay away from that situation.
there's gonna be some good footage tonight, dog.
Can we get this broken? Because like it's cold.
He was talking
Or lane. Let's call lane. First one to lane.
for lane. Why are you talking hostile? Cool. You're getting it. Alright, we got ready.
You guys got the money here? Ready?
Yeah.
You got 3?
Just make sure that's why. Just make sure you exchange the money. Okay, final decision. Right?
Max.
Good?
I was.
If the light comes on before that gun comes up,
No.
I'm telling you right now, it's not good. I don't want to hear no
That's a flag. I got you.
Yo, and another thing though, like so when we get there, make sure people park on the shoulder.
Yeah, and
So that we're blocked in, because if the cops pull up,
block the grass.
we're gonna get the race off. As long as they're far enough back.
I think we got to get the car up too to make sure that.
God forbid we can't get the race off here. The next closest strip is keep the money locked and we'll go straight there.
Everyone's riding with me tonight.
Are you riding with him?
Nah. I'm in the truck, dog.
What I'm saying, that just sounded real wrong. You said everybody riding with me.
I'm trying to get tucked in here.
There's a cop right there.
He ain't looking. He don't want to know.
He is. Is that your brakes?
Fucker behind me has no brakes.
Oh, dude.
Almost got a little too close.
More for me.
Nah, you was almost a little
take
too
it
close.
right now.
Your pants would have had a big hole in the side. You'd have been tight.
hit the launch hard.
Nah, Max's shit did a little wheelie.
That was close. I seen Max pull on him, but after that, everybody ran in my face.
Y'all think GoPro stayed on the car, or did it come off? That shit sounds crazy. Whoever got that white F80. That shit was close all the way to the end.
It's all on him. Video from the bottom. Let me see the video from the
Gotta check. Bro, this motherfucker launched so hard and pushed my shit.
up top, bro.
Wheelie man.
I told you, if I pop a wheelie on his ass,
Oh, dude.
mind your business. Yo, Woody!
Yo, let me get paid. Let me get paid. Yes, Max. Yes. My boy Max for the win. Max, here's the money so we can get paid and go. Max, grow up, man. Do that shit later, man. I'm being a little ass kid, man. You got the money flying and shit, man. One of the side bet kids right here. Shout out to my boy. 440 side bet on the Civic. Good looking.
1300.
I wish. Oh yeah, 1300. You see that? Y'all hear that? Don't worry about that shit.
Great.
My son made 11 grand and still bet $200.